Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Loren again. Today we're going to be going over a good, better, and best French door refrigerator, full size, at 25 cubic feet and up. So we're going to kind of look in that range for good, better, best. So this is my good. This is a Whirlpool. This is a WRF555 SDFZ. So this is their full size model, 25 cubic foot. It's kind of an entry level model for the Whirlpool line. On the front, we have the light on here. We have the ice and the water crushed cubed. Pretty standard now with most refrigerators. You can have that on, off, or dim, 2 or 3 different light settings. It's got the fast cool option. So if you just have the refrigerator open, all that cold air escapes. You can put that on. It's going to lower the temperature of the fridge faster. Interior LED lighting on the inside. Not super bright compared to a lot of other refrigerators, but again, this is the entry level model. Glass shelves. 2 crisper bins, it's gonna get stuck a little bit. Again, this is an entry level model, but for the price point, not too bad. 3-gallon storage bins. You got the ice maker, big capacity in your ice there. They make this in the stainless and the black stainless finish. And on the bottom, you got this, and not an option to add a second ice maker. So only one ice maker in this Whirlpool. So overall, Whirlpool makes a really solid refrigerator, and I rate this kind of my good model. Price point at $19.79 right now. Normally, if we have these out of box, you get these as low as $14.99 on a good sale. Let's move on to the better. All right, guys, and that brings us to the better model. This is an LG. This is their entry-level model too. So again, this is a 25 cubic foot platform. Technically, this is 26 cubic feet. This is the LFXS 26973S. So that, again, they make this in the stainless and black stainless. Seems like every manufacturer's kind of making both nowadays. So pretty popular model for their line. Again, this is at $2. This is a new ice dispenser. They changed the design of this from their last models. Now the water, this comes from right here. Before it's in the front. So now in your old model, you push the ice here and the water would drip off the front as soon as you pull the cup out. So constant water streaks. This they put back so it hits the drip pan. Kind of doesn't need as much to clean the bottom. A nice upgrade, I think. Just a nice feature change that they changed from model to model. Ice Plus, it's got that feature. It's pretty nice. The inside of the refrigerator, you notice the ice maker is a little bit more slim than some of the other models. So what that does, I'm not sure on the exact amount of storage on this, but I know it's not that much. So what happens is you could actually take this out, dump it into the bin that it comes with in your freezer, and you can turn on Ice Plus. It's going to crank up on how fast it's going to produce your ice there for you. So a really cool feature for the design there. It's got an air filter in there as well that you can change out. It's got the Wi-Fi grid. You can actually talk to your phone and actually tell you if you have a technical issue, or with a LG technician, it can actually communicate, and your LG can diagnose your fridge from kind of your Wi-Fi. So a really cool feature with LG. Interior LED lighting. It's an LED strip across the top. I like it across the top versus the back because once you have all your food in there, you don't have this big shadow casting backwards. It's a little bit nice and makes everything look a little bit brighter. There's your air filter in the back. These glass shelves, a little bit more square design, but there's just more space in this. You can adjust these up or down a few different levels here. Drawers, your bins glide a lot smoother. Your glide drawer, really smooth there too. A little bit thicker plastic, 3 bins like we seen before. But in this, you don't have that big ice maker like we saw in that Whirlpool. It's all right here, the slim space ice system. It's a really cool feature. Down on the bottom, you got the pop-out shelf. It's kind of nice. You get a sticky seal. This kind of helps. It uses these little notches right here to kind of kick it out when this gets sticky from just over time. It kind of helps out. This glides really smooth, really easy. A pull-out drawer with the option. No second ice maker option on this, but you could dump that the ice into this like we talked about. And that is my better model. 4204 right now. Out of box, if I get these right around $1,600 out of box, a little scratch on the side. And let's move on to our best, guys. All right, guys, this brings us to our best model. This is a KitchenAid. They make this in the stainless and black stainless steel models. This is a KRMF706. One of the most popular refrigerators they've come out with in a while. Really popular fridge, high demand for this right now. Let's just move on to the display like we kind of started before. So ice and water, just like traditional. What's kind of nice on these is this has all the features that we talked about before for the most part. This one has your measured fill though. So you could choose cups, a lot of different sizes, ounces, liters. Choose your different size there, and you can actually dispense that right into this. Really cool feature that you could use, especially if like a cook with filtered water. It's got a water filter on the inside that removes a lot of different things in the water. So really cool. And the design, KitchenAid, if you have other KitchenAid appliances, really cool with all the different handles. They got kind of like the shotgun shell handles, is what I like to call them. Really nice model. Interior. So that's really sharp on the interior. This is obsidian on the inside, is what they call it, obsidian interior. These bins are adjustable. The plastic is really durable too, kind of like what we saw in the LGs. But the quality in this glass, you can just hear that compared to the plastic sound of some of the other refrigerators. It's just a nice refrigerator all the way around. You can adjust these 4 levels just like the other. This has your spill control edge right on the inside here, and it also adjusts backwards to keep things upright. LED lights all the way around the fridge. I mean, I didn't count them all, but there's at least 8 there, I think. Really bright fridge when it's plugged in, and the obsidian interior just looks really sharp. Bottom drawers, these pull out nice and smooth. Pretty easy. It's your humidity control environment down here too. And that's what LG's kind of known for, is kind of produce lasting a little bit longer. I'm sorry, KitchenAid, said LG. This drawer, these you could choose meat, cold drinks, depending whatever you have in there. You could just choose to these different features. Really cool. It's got these divider bins. You can adjust these wherever you want, and really cool. Soft close doors. Produce drawer right here too. It's kind of a humidity control zone. Again, with a divider, and again, soft close drawers. I just love doing that. It's pretty cool. Bottom drawers. Not a lot of. The only complaint is not a lot of freezer space in this, but what is nice about it is how they set this up. So you have the indoor pizza storage right there, kind of lays flat on the inside. You got one shelf here, and you also have a third shelf. So even though it's small, you have a lot of ways to organize this bottom shelf so things aren't just kind of stacked up in those other models that we saw before. Obsidian interior, and again, these glide really smooth, really easy. But this is going to be my the best model here. Out of box, these are brand new in the box. They're going for about $4,500. Out of box, they're going for about $35,000. So we still have some availability on these. I know right now with the coronavirus, no one really has these in stock. Whirlpool's on it. Whirlpool / KitchenAid, same company. They're kind of on a back order on producing some of these until things get wrapped up with COVID. But thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next week.